Okay, so in the last lecture, we learn about different geometrical shapes like square, triangle, angle, rectangle. Okay, now in this session, we are going to study or we are going to solve the problems first. So first we'll look into the solved problems and then we'll move to solve the problems given to us. An angle with measurement wait a minute. Okay, okay, so an angle with measurement 91 degree is an acute, obtuse, right angle, reflex angle, or none of this. So we know the definitions. What is meant by acute angle? The angle in between 0 to 90 degree is known as acute angle. Angle in between 90 to 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Reflex angle is more than 180 and right angle is exact equal to 90 degree angle. So here they had asked us about 91 degree angle, so it is an obtuse angle, option B. Okay, now the next question is, which one of the following has definite length? Okay, so the given options are line, ray, line segment, point. So you know line can be extended at both the direction infinitely. Ray is unidirectional extension and with one fixed point. Point is just a dot. So our answer is line segment because it is the portion of line in between two given points. So our option is option C. Now the next one is, how many triangles are there in the given figure below? So you have to count the triangles. So this is we will just count it. You also count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will show with another color. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now is there any more triangle? So you can see, we'll use a different pen. Okay, see 8 we had counted already, so this is the 9th one, this is the 10th one, this is the 11th one, and this is the 12th one. So total there are 12 triangles in the given figure. I will show you again because it is little bit confusing. We had counted whichever triangle, 4 triangles we have counted, latter one, that will I show you first. So see, this was 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and these individual 8. 4 plus 8, 12. So our answer is 12. You can check, is there any more triangle inside it? No, only 12 are there. Okay, now the next is, how many obtuse angle are there in the given figure? So you know obtuse angle means angle greater than 90 degrees. So 90 degree angle looks like this. So angle greater than this is known as obtuse angle. So here this was 90 degree का angle, this was 90 degree का angle. This is clearly an obtuse, but this is also obtuse and this is also obtuse. Okay, see, this 90 degree will be shown like this and it is greater than 90. So this one is also obtuse and this one is also obtuse. So 1, 2 and 3 triangles are obtuse here. So our answer is 3. Okay, the next one is angle ABC is a right angle. Then ABD is equal to. Now see, the simple question it is, this is total hole is 90 degree and this one BCD angle is given to you which is 49 degree and angle ABC is 90 degree. So angle ABD, A, B and D is equal to angle ABC minus angle BCD because they are complementary to each other. 90 minus 49 is equal to 41 degree Celsius. So our answer is answer B. Now the next question is, which one of the following is not a picture in the diagram given below? Now options are ray OB. Can you find the ray OB inside this figure? Yes, O is the fixed point and OB is a ray. So this is there in the picture. Now the next one is line AB. AB, it can be extended infinitely at both the ends. So it is a line. So line AB is also there. Angle AOB. AOB. Yes, it is a straight angle which measure 180 degree. Line segment BQ. See, BQ. Is there any line joining B and Q? No. So this is not in the diagram. So our answer is answer D. Line segment BQ is not there in the diagram. Now the next question is, you have to calculate the squares in the given figure below. Okay. So first two big visible squares we can see, 1 and 2. Now it's small, 3, 4. So with another color, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now is there any more square? Yes, 11 and 12. Okay, so how many are here? So 12 square are here. So our answer is answer C. Okay, now we'll show you again, or you got my answer. We'll just show you again. Big one, 1 and 2. This is also inside that big one, 3 and 4. And this small 4, 4 at both the square. So total 12 squares are there. Now the next is number of centimeters of measured radius of the circle is a prime number. Number of centimeter of its measured diameter must be n. Now see, if a circle with certain radius, and if the radius is a prime number, what is mean by prime number? The number which can be divided by itself and 1 is known as prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on are the prime numbers. So assume any one of these number, either you take 2 or either you take 3. 2 is the only even prime number, otherwise every prime number is a odd number. So now see, we know diameter is twice the radius. If radius is 3 centimeter, then diameter must be 6 centimeter. So if radius is 5 centimeter, diameter is 10 centimeter. So if the prime number is a odd number, we get the diameter as a even number. If the prime number is 2, then also we get the diameter as a 4 centimeter, which is also a even number. So our answer should be even number, because we didn't get odd number by multiplying odd number with 2, or multiplying prime number with 2, or multiplying unique number with 2. Understood? Now the next one is very important question, that was think carefully and then you understand it, because all the prime numbers are odd numbers, and if we multiply prime numbers with the number 2, we get double of that number, and that number is always even. 11 to the 22 is even, 7 to the 14 is even, 5 to the 10 is even, 3 to the 6 is even. So our answer is even number. Now next one, number of centimeters of measured diameter is 4 centimeter of the smallest odd prime number. The radius of the circle is. Now you should know which is the smallest odd prime number. So see, smallest prime number is 2, but smallest odd prime number is 3. And the diameter of the circle is 4 times that smallest odd number. So diameter of the circle is 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the radius of the circle. So we know diameter is equal to 2 radius. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. If the diameter is 12 centimeter, so 12 divided by 2, 2 6 are 12. So our radius is 6 centimeter. I will explain you again. See, smallest odd prime number is 3. Diameter is 4 times that 3. So diameter is 12 centimeter. Radius is always half of the diameter, or diameter is always twice the radius. So to find the radius, we divide the diameter with 2. So we get answer 6. So our radius of the circle is 6 centimeter. Now the next one. ABCD is a square. AB, wait. ABCD is a square. It is a square. So you know the condition of square, that all sides are of equal length and equal angle, which is of 90 degree. Square, जो भी कोई बोलेगा square, तो these two conditions should always be first to become in our mind. मतलब जब स्क्वायर बोला तो ये दो चीजें हमारे दिमाग में आनी ही चाहिए, कि इक्वल साइड्स एंड 90 डिग्री एंगल. फिर आगे पढ़ो. इन विच डायगोनल AC is 15 centimeter. Side MN of the square BDMN is. Now see, this is the diagonal AC, which is 15 centimeter, and now we have to find the side MN of square BDMN. So we know what we know, that diagonal are also equal in length. If AC is 15 centimeter, BD is also 15 centimeter, because it is a square. So its two diagonal are of same length. Now BD is 15 centimeter and BDMN is also a square. So side MN is 15 centimeter. So your answer is answer C. Okay. Now our exam starts. we have to solve some examples which are practice examples. Okay. Okay. Now the first one is a triangle can have maximum dash dash acute angles. Now see, this is a triangle which is isosceles triangle, isosceles or equilateral. If we say isosceles, then these two angles are of same length. If we say equilateral, all the three angles are of same length. Now we know that sum of all the triangle angles of the triangle is 180 degree, and all the triangles have only three angles. So divide 180 by 3, you get answer 60. 3 6 are 18 and 6 0 3 0 are 0. 60 degree angle we got if we divide 180 into 3 different angles. So 60 is an acute angle. So a triangle can have maximum 3 acute angles, 60 60 60, but not more than 3. Okay, so your answer is 3. Okay, then next one, because we consider equilateral triangle which has all the three angles are of equal length and which is of 60 degree, so it is an acute angle. So a triangle which we don't know whether it is a right angle or whether it is a isosceles or whether it is a equilateral, but it can have maximum 3 acute angles. Now the next one is, in the figure given below, diagonal BD of a square ABCD is 31 centimeter. Radius of the circle with center O we have to find. Now see, BD is given, which is 31 centimeter, and we have to find the radius, that is OB, segment OB we have to find. Now you can, if look carefully, what is BD? If we forgot the square, what is BD? BD is the diameter of the circle, and which is 31 centimeter, and we have to find the radius. So divide the diameter with 2. 31 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 will be remainder 11. 1 will come down, it become 11. 2 5s are 10. 1 will be the remainder. We take a decimal. We add 0. 2 5s are 10. So 15.5 centimeter is our radius. So your answer is answer C. Now how many triangles are there in the given figure? Now we will calculate one by one. So first to ekdam visible wala triangle is there, which is triangle number 1 1 1 2 3, then 4 chota, small in between the big, it become 4, 5 6. Is there any more? Which one? 7 and 8. So there are total 8 triangles in the given figure. Again we'll see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and where our 8 was gone? Big one, 8. Very good. Okay, so there are 8 triangles in the given figure. Now the next question. 2 angles of an triangle are acute. Okay, the third angle cannot be. 2 angles are acute angles, so third cannot be an acute angle. Yes, it can be an acute angle. If the triangle is equilateral triangle, then it can be a acute angle. Right angle, yes, it can be possible because in the right angle, this is 90 degree. So these two of any length which is lesser than 90. So they are of two acute angle and one right angle. It is also a possible condition. Obtuse angle, yes, it can also be possible because this is an obtuse angle and it is a picture of isosceles triangle. This is a obtuse, these two are acute angles. So B option is also can be present. Then half of the right angle, no, it is impossible. Half of the right angle is 45 degree. So this cannot be possible. So our answer is answer D. Okay, you didn't understood. I will explain. If these are two acute angles, so they are lesser than 90 degree. Okay, or maybe their sum is 90 degree, but not more than 90 degree because they are acute angles. Okay, now this is 45 degree ka angle. 90 plus 45 becomes 90 plus 45 becomes 135. So total is not 180 and our total should be 180. It is only 135. So it is not possible. We'll check by another method. See, if the sum is lesser than 90 of these two acute angles, less than 90 is their total, means A plus B is less than 90. So C must be an obtuse angle because we have to, if we add these three triangles, their total is 180. So if these two are lesser than 90, then this should be obtuse, not an acute. And it is to 45 degrees, so it is highly impossible. Still you don't get my point, or you get it? Okay. So half of the right angle is our answer because total should be 180 degree of all the three angles. And we know the maximum acute angle is of less than 90 degree. 70, 80 if we take, 270 degree angle if we take. So it is not possible because maximum acute angle is of 60 degree in the equilateral triangle. Okay. So the third must be obtuse or right angle or an acute but not a half of the right angle. That's my point. Which one of the following is not true for square ABCD given below? ABCD square. AB plus BC plus CD. AB plus BC plus CD is equal to 3 into AD. Yes, it is possible. Angle ABC, angle ABC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAD plus angle BCD. Yes, it is possible because all 90 plus 90 and equal to 90 plus 90. So this condition is also possible. AB plus BC. AB plus BC is equal to AD plus CD. Yes, it is also possible. Now the fourth one is angle ABC. ABC, angle BCD and angle ADC is equal to 360 degree. Not possible because these are only three angles and their total is 270 because they are 90 degree angles. So this one is incorrect. So our answer is and this one, answer D, which is not true for the square ABCD given below. Okay, you understood. Now the next question. Not understood. But 5 questions are remaining. We'll solve and then we'll stop. Which one of the following is not true for equilateral triangle ABC given below. Now it is an equilateral triangle, so you have to your mind should be occupied with the thoughts like all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal and of 60 degrees. Khatam. Now we'll check the answers. Which is not true? We have to find. AB plus AC. AB plus AC divided by 2 is equal to BC. Yes, it is correct. Angle BAC, angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. 120 degree. Yes, it is also correct because all the angles are of 60 degrees. AB upon BC is equal to AC upon BC. बराबर है. Correct. Now the fourth one is angle ACB and angle ABC. If we add three of them, it becomes 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90. And here they are given equal to 90 multiplied by 2. So this is wrong. So it is not true for the equilateral triangle. So our option is answer D. Now the next one. How many rays are there in the given figure? You have to find the rays. So from one fixed point to the infinity. So take the point O and find out the rays in the given figure. O A1, OB2, OC3, OD4, OE5. Now A, E, B, C, B are not the fixed point. So our answer is 5. Triangle ABC given below is a right angled isosceles triangle in which BAC is equal to 90 degree. Now see, this is an isosceles triangle, means two sides are of equal length and two angles are of equal degree. So these two angles are of equal degree because this is 90 and these two sides are equal. So 180 minus 90 is 90. So this is 45 degree and this is 45 degrees. How? 180 minus this BAC, that is 90 degree, is equal to 90 degree. In 90 degree there are two angles because they are isosceles of equal degree. So both of them are of 45 degree each. Now we'll go through the answers. Angle ABC plus angle ACB. ABC plus ACB is equal to angle BAC. Yes, it is correct. And we have to find the true relation. So our answer is answer A. Don't go to the any answer. Okay, because it is a true relation. And there is no such option that all of these. So our answer is answer A only. We are not considering the rest of the answers. Sum of all four angles of the two pairs of complementary angle is an. Now see, what is meant by complementary angle? The two angles, if their sum is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. And such a two pairs are there. That means four angles are there. And both the four angles are divided into A, B, C, D are the A, B, C, D. So these two are pair, and both the pairs are complementary, so their addition is 90. Okay, and if we add these two also, so it becomes 180. Now go to the option. The sum of all the four angle is a straight angle or right angle or obtuse angle or reflex angle. So answer is 180. So 180 degree angle is known as straight angle. So our answer is answer A. Very good. Number of centimeter of measured diameter of the circle is the largest two-digit number. What is the radius of the circle? Now you Tell me what is the largest two-digit number? 99, correct. So 99 is a two-digit largest number, and if it is the diameter of the circle, we have to find the radius of the circle. As we know, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So 99 divided by 2. 99 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 will be the remainder. 9 will come down. 2 9s are 18. 1 will be the remainder. We take the decimal. We add 0. 2 5s are 10. So our answer is 49.5. So in this way, we learn in this chapter about different geometrical shapes like triangle, angle, square, rectangle, angle and triangle subtypes also we had seen. The some special conditions of, or you can say definitions of particular angle, particular triangle we had seen, and this all the things help us to solve this practice exercise. So in this way we had finished our chapter geometrical figures. If you like my videos, please go and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.